Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited because Halloween is very close, which means it's time for my Halloween hair makeover. I'm going to be coloring my hair a pastel orange using some white conditioner mixed with sunset orange by Arctic Fox. And as you can see, I'm putting on the gloves and it's time to clip up my hair with my alligator clip. And yeah, pretty basic, simple coloring routine I'm doing here. I am using, of course, a conditioner as a base because it is very nourishing for the hair, even though Arctic Fox is already very nourishing for the hair on its own because it's conditioning based. I'm using a white conditioner mixed with the color because I want it to be a pastel orange, like almost the same shade of a pumpkin because it's Halloween and I wanted my hair orange for the basic Halloween colors, black and orange. Only, of course, I'm not going to put black in my hair unless it's like extensions because black hair color will like never come out of your hair. So I'm definitely staying away from black. Never gonna put that in my hair, like absolutely never. So I'm starting from the bottom sections and working my way upwards, taking a little bit of my hair down at a time as I color it. You always want to start from the bottom and work your way up. And work in small sections because this formula is so thick. It's much easier to work with when you are using thin sections at a time, because if you don't and your sections are too thick, then you will just get a few blotchy patches on your hair and the color won't be even. I would also recommend getting two mirrors, one to look in front of you to see what you're doing, and one to put behind you so that way you can see how it's looking in the back. And I am looking into getting a mirror to put on the wall behind me where my cute pumpkin sign is, so that way I can see what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm going to leave this in my hair for half an hour or close to an hour, and then when I wash it out, ta-da! This is what it looks like. The color looks amazing. I look just like a bright orange pumpkin, exactly what I intended to look like, and as always, my hair feels so soft and healthy because Arctic Fox is so healthy for your hair. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!